today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache and data for the Monzo app on your phone. If Monzo has been slow, crashing, or not updating properly, clearing its cache and, if needed, its app data can quickly set things right. Cache removes temporary files, a data reset returns the app to a fresh state. Before we start, remember that clearing data will sign you out, so be sure you know your login details and have a stable internet connection for later. First, open your phone's settings, look for the gear icon on your home screen or app drawer, and tap it to enter the system settings. Next, go to Apps. On some devices, this is called Apps and Notifications. This section shows all your installed apps and lets you manage their storage and permissions. From the list, select Monzo. If you have many apps, use the search bar at the top or scroll until you find it. Tap the Monzo entry to open its app info page. Now tap Storage. On some phones, you'll see Storage and Cache. This screen breaks down how much space the app uses and gives you options to remove temporary files or reset the app. Choose Clear Cache to remove temporary files. This is a safe first step that won't affect your login or your account. It often fixes issues like slow loading, images not appearing, or the app feeling laggy. If problems persist, choose Clear Data, sometimes labeled Clear Storage. This resets the app and deletes all settings and downloaded content stored on your device. It does not affect your bank account or your money, but it will return the app to its first run state. When prompted, confirm the action. Your phone will ask you to verify that you want to proceed because this can't be undone. After confirmation, the Monzo app's local data is erased. A quick heads up, once you clear data, you'll need to open Monzo again and log in. Have your credentials and any verification method ready, such as your device's biometrics or a one-time code sent during sign-in. After logging back in, you can re-enable preferences, notifications and security settings as you like. That's it. Clearing the cache is great for everyday hiccups, and clearing data is the deeper reset when the app won't behave. Use cache first and data only when necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep Monzo running smoothly.